think we're in defrost. Yep, we're in defrost. That's a defrost right there. Oh my goodness. Snow is wild. I just happened to walk up on this thing. So that's a 59th defrost now. Glad I came over here. I was just trying to avoid awkwardness. How do they leave their door open? Feel the heat wave. This thing is a 2006 CPLE 2ton. There we go. That feels nice and warm. Alright, anyway. That was a few good defrosting. See you anyways. Okay, I don't know what's going on with these ones. This one's on in defrost. At the same time, this one's also on a defrost. This one just turned off. I came back over because the woman left. These are both 2018 2-ton GSZ14s. Actually, I think I'm going to include these ones in a separate video. Well, they both smell like they're in defrost, so they're both defrosting at the same time. Dry defrosting. So, I don't know. Sound nice. We're in the middle of these two. I have no idea which one's gonna kick out first. So this one has a cap missing. Maybe that explains something. So I'm gonna have a little bit more on this one. Let's see. This one's off, maybe it'll turn back on. Not in defrost, but just in heat mode. Steam show. It's steaming. Just kidding. That's just my breath. That's always interfered, and that's always something I hated. These fan blades are spinning, this one's not. I'm kind of getting bored. These are both Copeland Emerson scrolls right here. I think these are both Broad Ocean fan motors. So these are pretty much identical. Triplets, actually. I'm just talking about the twins defrosting here. Imagine if all three were in defrost at the same time, though. That'd be pretty dope. They probably think, oh, there, this one good. I think that, hopefully that's out of defrost. Yeah, the snow's not barely even breaking. This hopefully is out of defrost. Yep. Okay, we're out of defrost now. Got some warm air. I actually need the cold air, so hopefully. Yeah, there it goes. It gets cold again. This one's still in defrost. So I'm not gonna touch that. I think that's warm. This one sounds very quiet. Finally, we're out of defrost. Oh my gosh. Sorry, snow just gave in. Stop it from rattling. Alright, there we go. That was 2018 Goodman's defrosting. So that's 59 defrost now. That's because I'm talking about individual heat pumps. 2018, 2-ton. Same as that one. This one actually has a cap though. For some reason, the other one was missing. So yeah, anyways. And the Goodman is in a separate video. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching and over and out. Alright, I think one of these just turned off. This one. 60 defrost. Nice, I actually got my first 4-bladed Goodman defrosting. Line sets are buried. R14A. Goodman scroll. Emerson. Oh, this one? No, that's not ice. No steam show, it's just dry again. Like the other ones. This one may turn on. Alright, well there was a 2017 2-ton Goodman defrosting. It's my first 4-blade Goodman defrost of that kind. That was so majestic. GSZ14. Anyways, yep. Thanks for watching and over and out. Carrier comfort went into defrost. Got an interval heat pump defrosting. It's the third Carrier Comfort complex I got defrosted. one is so quiet. Oh my goodness. These both are quiet, but this one is like especially. Oh. It's crooked. 2024 210. Just turned off so you can hear this one more clearly now. I'm gonna see if there's... Nope, nothing. Snyder journal and a Goodman rocking. Carrier defrosting. I think these are on interval, so... they're easy to catch and predict. Oh, this guy just looking crazy. This is wasting my battery life. Come on. Dryer vent right there. And this one goes. This one smells interesting. It has a defrost smell and kind of a newer one, but like mixed with something else. I don't know if dryer lint or something. There we go. It does the pre-switch, and then the fan kicks on a few seconds later. There we go. Carrier defrost. Watching it over now. That's a 6 CPLE 210. Middle 4 Goodman. I think this one is just loud. Get this stick out of here. pumps take so long when they're in dry defrost. I think it's because they're cold and the termination temperature is struggling to get high enough. Maybe that's why. So I noticed that was what happened when I went here on Cashmas 2025. Same shit here. So weird. Should be kicking out any minute now, or any second. I wonder if this just entered defrost. Probably did. Let's see what's up over there. I don't know what's good with the Snyder General. I should have came here on Sunday instead of the Old Town. I don't know why I risked everything. But I had so many snowy steam shows, and I could have had a compilation ready. But instead I chose Old Top. Come on, Goodman, you're wasting my battery percentage. Space. Well, I actually have more space, but battery percentage is limited. Alright, I think I'm just gonna leave this one here to, I guess, finish. Thank you for watching, and over and out. I'm gonna heat the defrost. It's probably on its way of exiting, but I'm gonna go check on some other products. And that Goodman right there is frozen. We're rolled up in the Scroll 14 seer. 2019 GSZ14, 1.5 ton actually. This one's smaller. It should be a 2 ton. These are apartments and they're smaller. They're 2 ton apartments. Each individual unit or room. Alright, now please do not take a long time to defrost. I do not want to be sitting here. This thing is frozen over. No airflow at all. I don't feel anything. Barely feel anything. That thing needs a defrost board replacement. Anyways, I already caught another one of these closer to this one defrosting, so you can see if you're watching another one.